First fish. First passage is done, just have to carry the backpack over. First portage is done. Now on the second water of 3, so not really a far way left. First water we got 1 fish. It's not really a far paddle before we have to do it. The next one it's right over at the cabin right there. So so far so good. Aye aye aye. Second fish. Cute little trout. Gonna let this one go too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yay.
Fish number 4. Absolute unit.
$7.20.
Ja. Been really windy the entire day, so we haven't been able to move so much. We had to change up spots because it was way too much wind on the other one. Just been laying here, reading, chilling, not doing too much actually. So quiet day. Hope for better tomorrow and that we get some more fish. Been one small one, so not the greatest day, but need time to relax too, I guess. Oi! Jørgen!
Ja.
So much wind. Had to paddle back to the car today. It's been so windy up to where we're at, and we don't want to get the more wind that's coming tomorrow. So we had to leave a day early. Kinda sad. It is. But what you're gonna do? Safety is more important. Just look at the waves right now. And it's gonna blow way much more tomorrow, so I think we did a good choice.
Ja.